Perfect.
How's it going, everybody? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, we're going to be showing you guys a little bit of a before and after on this 2021 Genuine Scooter Company Buddy 50 that we just sold to a customer. They did request that they wanted some accessories installed because they wanted to make it unique and make it their own and stand out in the parking lot. We are going to be installing this color match top case by K-Max. We are also going to be installing a chrome rear rack, a front chrome rack, and also a wicker front basket from Prima on this one. In addition to all these factory accessories, we are also going to be doing one of our SMWX 717 LED underglow kits to this one. The cool thing with our kit is we should be able to get a color that's pretty close to this turquoise on the Buddy 50. But at any rate, stay tuned. We aren't actually going to be showing the installation. We're just going to be doing the before and after, but stay tuned and then you can see exactly how tricked out one of these Buddy 50s can be. Alright, welcome back. So we have finished up the installation. We actually wrapped this up yesterday and ran out of time, didn't get a chance to film. But at any rate, what we did on this one was we did do the Prima front basket. We did not end up using the front chrome mount for the Buddy, so the Prima basket mounts straight too, and we ended up talking our customer out of trying to do the rack and the basket. Just gives it a nice cleaner look. We also did this color match top case from K-Max. So this is a really nice case. It is locking. It also has a quick release on it. Literally comes off the scooter, as simple as that. Now that function does lock, so it's not like someone can just randomly walk up to your top case and walk off with it. The only way that would happen is if they were to have the key. It does open up with just a push of a button. And then this is just the securement strap as well. So it is locking, so it's not going to go anywhere. We did also run on this one the chrome rear cargo rack. That is a requirement if you're running any kind of top case or say a basket, something to that effect. Another thing that we did on this one is we did install one of our SMWX 717 LED underglow kits. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to kill the lights and show you guys this kit. What I am going to be showing you guys here is the Bluetooth integration of our LED light kit. So what this does is it gives you what they would call a million different color options. So now, assuming you already have the Aurora Pro app downloaded, you're going to open up your app. It's going to give you that real nice opening screen. And then coming in through here, you're going to hit the connect button. Now this is assuming that this is your first time hooking up to these LED kits. Go into the thing, and what it's actually going to do is it's going to allow us to change the color to any of these colors that we want. Now there are basically some base colors that are going to go on, but from there we are going to see the different colors that we have. Let me bring you guys in on the camera here for a closer look at exactly what we're doing. This way you can have a better idea how these colors look. So if you're looking on the screen here, you can see what the color is supposed to be and how it's showing there. Now bear in mind, my lift is a red lift, so it's kind of displays a little bit differently on the ground. Obviously on a road or a parking lot, this is going to be just that color. You won't have that red tint to the ground. It does also come with a strobe function that has multiple speed settings. A nice like heartbeat style. This is just a nice cycle where it's going to end up going through all the different colors. And then also a sound sync function. So
Alexa, play Tsunami.
So at any rate, that is our LED underglow kit. Now this does mount in here real nice. I'm just going to have Kyle come in here. And where we mount this thing ends up changing. This doesn't really matter where it ends up going on, but it does have a nice on and off switch right here that we've mounted. That's one big feature. That on and off switch is one big feature as to why we use the kit that we do use for these installations. So at any rate now, we have completely tricked out this Buddy. This one is ready for customer pickup now. But at any rate, if you made it this far with us, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what we did with this Buddy and a chance to see some of the different accessories that we do here at Siegfried's Motor. Just a little side note for everyone who made it this far. If you buy a brand new genuine scooter product from us, that includes the Royal Alloy brand as well, we do include 15% off OEM accessories as well as free installation. Now, the underglow kit is not included in that, but if you want to buy it with the bike, we can end up working out a deal for you guys on that as well. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this turquoise Buddy 50 that we've officially tricked out. And if you can, hit that subscribe button. You can stay up to date with everything going on here at Siegfried's Motorworks. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.